Hello, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to make parfait. So it's a breakfast inspiration. So today we are going to use we got our pap from Dubi's Food. Yes, she makes a very nice pap. So this particular pap is mixed cereal pap, which she called epic pap. So as you already know, I am home magic woman, and that's because I help household in solving their cleaning needs. If this is your first time of coming to this channel, please subscribe and go through my channels because you will see a lot of different productions on hair products, body products, cleaning products that is surely going to help you. You can produce it yourself and make money from it. And also do well to subscribe to my channel. So as you can see, as you always know, before we proceed, I'm going to introduce you to the ingredients I'm going to be using. So this is my powdered pap. This is my milk. You know, the quantity of milk you use depends on your choice. And this is my sugar. So also the quantity of sugar you are going to add to your pap also depends on your choice. So let us proceed with our production. This is my granola. So let us proceed. I'm going to fetch just a little quantity of my powdered pap. So my pap completely dissolved. I'm going to add hot water now. So our pap is ready. You add your milk, then just add a little water to it, stir it very well, then add the quantity of sugar that you want. The quantity of sugar that you want, and stir it also very well. Right now my pap is ready. I will simply add my granola and my pap parfait is ready. Our pap parfait is ready. Very good for your breakfast. Please, if this is your first time of coming to this my channel, please subscribe. Bye.